In this video, let me show you how to fix Gmail sync problem. So if your emails within Gmail are not syncing, let me show you the way that you can fix this issue. Now, by default, your sync just may be turned off. So if this is the case, you may be able to see the sync option, the option of turning on the sync on the top. But however, if this option is not visible, you'll need to head over to the hamburger menu on the top left, head over to settings. Once you're inside of settings, you just need to scroll down until you see the section called Sync Gmail. If this is turned off for you, just simply toggle this option on or check this option. As soon as you do that, your issue should be fixed. Secondly, if this is not the case for you, then you can also try out enabling the system-wide auto sync. So what you simply need to do is head over to the settings on your device. Scroll down, head over to account and sync, and right here you should be able to see the option called Google being displayed, and right here within your particular Google account or particular Gmail, you can simply tap on the sync now option. Now by doing these two steps alone, you should be able to fix your issue. But however, if the issue still persists, then what you can lastly try out is try to clear out the app cache and data of the Gmail application. Tap and hold the app of Gmail, head over to the eye icon, head over to storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear data and clear cache and clear all data. Make sure you tap on both of these options, and by doing these few steps you should be able to solve this issue. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to let me know. I'm gonna see you in the next one.